Oh my god. Oh my god. Please, hot. Hi everyone, it's Dave River Hunter. So today I'm back out at the spot where I used to go Magnetfish a couple times the last months. You saw it in my Instagram story maybe, where I found a couple of phones and also earpods and stuff like that. And actually yesterday I've been out and I found that probably fake Rolex. But yeah, it's not confirmed yet that it's a legit one, and it's not confirmed yet that it's a fake. It's just because there's water inside and it's a diver's watch, so it's a little bit tricky. I don't know the correct answer right now if it is a genuine one or not. But today's goal is going to be a platform, which last time I was here I saw a couple of phones laying under it, and the only possible way to get there is by diving. And also we'll do like a tour with the magnet along the river walk, so maybe if there is a phone somewhere under the promenade, we'll get that out as well. Wish me luck. So we're here about 10 minutes, and under this bridge found the first phone. It looks like an iPhone, so we're gonna try to get it out with the magnet. Unfortunately it's under the bridge, so I don't know if I'll be able to film it, but I'll try to get a good angle if so. So there's this giant dock where people hang out, and under these woods it goes just down in the river straight. And I've so far spotted 4 phones by looking twice, and I'm gonna be down in a minute. Alright, so I'm under the platform, got my bag to fill with phones and other stuff that I found, the magnet, the air mattress, and I'm gonna check all of those places right now. Let's go. Holy, right down there. On the golf course. Oh my god. Oh, there's another phone. Oh, 2 phones. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a 12. That's a 12. Oh, yeah. If I get that turn on. No. Crazy. So they're not athletic. Yeah. There's another one. Oh, there's two. Yeah. That's awesome. I got it. Alright, so since the magnet is not sticking very well for whatever reason, I'm trying to dive right now, but it's pretty cold, so wish me luck. Yeah. Yeah. One, two, three, four, five. How is this even possible? I'm gonna envelope with like 50 phones. I'm just halfway through and I left like 15 on this side already because I can stop diving. Oh god. Oh, that's cool. How is that even possible? That's unreal. Check out all those phones. And I haven't picked up coins yet. I see a lot of coins too, but what the hell? Check this out. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's get the next one. I just saw someone, some phone down there. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Please pause. Hot, hot, hot. Oh no. Wow. Wow. So right now I made it back to where I started, where I only magnet fished the first part of the platform. And since I've got a lot of phones that I couldn't pick up with the magnet, I went back to go down and dive for them right now. So at that point my GoPro battery died, but I got both of those out of there and also found a couple more after that. So after a long trip, I'm finally home. Man, what can I say? This was one of, like, actually I found the Rolex yesterday. I don't know how far apart this video will be from the video of the Rolex, but actually yesterday I found that Rolex watch, which is probably fake. I'm not 100% sure yet, but today I've been checking that dog that I wanted to do for quite a long time already. And yeah, best choice for today. Super sunny weather, but the visibility was awesome, as you saw. A little bummer was that, like, the GoPro was probably set a little bit too high. So I catched it like a bad angle because I was showing phones all the time in the camera and you just saw sometimes the top of the phone. So it's a little bit sad, but the main thing I mean, you saw all the phones laying on the floor, which is, to me, is cool, but it's still a little bit sad that it's not captured like I wanted to. So I don't know, I can't make this so much more longer, so I'm not gonna go, or actually should I, maybe I'm gonna go through everyone but do a second video about it. So if you're excited to see picking it out one by one, I'll link you to the other one. I'm gonna just lay it out and now we will see what I found today. All right, I finally counted them and I got 56 phones out of there. Also, there were more phones. I have no idea how many that I missed. I believe there's one or two for sure. And also there were several that I didn't dove down for it because I saw that it was like maybe an old iPhone 4 or like 5S or something like this. And at some point I was very tired and also freezing because it was like 54 degrees water temperature. And I've been there about an hour diving down all the time. So yeah, that's why I somehow ended up not getting all of the phones. I tried to catch all those bigger ones that probably were newer. And yeah, at some point I was too exhausted. I believe there are still 10 to 15 phones maybe down there, but I've got out today 56. Those are the iPhones right here up to that black one, and those are like Samsung, Sony's, and Huawei phones, stuff like that. So I got a iPod 4, iPhone 4, iPhone 4, iPhone 4, maybe 4S, those 5S's or 5s. Then couple 6s or 6S's. It's hard to tell because I didn't took off all the cases yet, and also somewhere down there for so long that you can't even recognize the printing anymore. This one's a 7, that's all 7s up to that. Then here are 4 iPhone 8s. That's a 7 Plus. All those are probably 7 Pluses. That's a 8 Plus. Then iPhone X, iPhone XR. Then I have 3 iPhone 11s, all black ones. I got an 11 Pro, an 11 Pro Max. Pretty lucky I've got a iPhone 12 Pro. Just gonna capture that a little. But there's water in the lens, so I have no idea. It didn't turn on yet when I tried to press the power button. Maybe it's just out of battery, but also there's water inside, so it's hard to tell if it's gonna work, but I believe it might. Then I found a gold earring, but it's like probably not gold, it's too light for that. But that would be cool if that was real. I thought it's more from a chain, but it's a earring. Then I have an iPhone, no, not iPhone, Samsung S3, S7, another S7, that's probably an S8. I have no idea about all those. I believe that's an A3, maybe a newer one, or A5 or something like that. Also, there are, I found a couple of those before, but I can't tell. I believe that's an A3 and that's the A5 because it's a little bit bigger, but I cannot tell 100%. I believe some of you will know. Then here is also a newer Samsung that's new as well. I'm gonna have a closer look. I don't know the models of those. That's a Sony Xperia. Then here is a Honor phone, Google Pixel, I believe that's what it is. I'm correct. And then those are, I believe, Huawei phones, and this one is a Microsoft. So what a day. Thanks so much for watching and sticking by. I hope you liked the video with the underwater magnet fishing and diving. Sorry for the bad GoPro angle, but next time I'm gonna try my best to give it a closer look before I start my dive. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. And if you want to see a video on how I took all of those out the bag and go through it on more details and all that, I'll link the video right here. And also, if you want to see how I found that Rolex, I'll link the video right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So I got out most of all those batteries. A couple are still in there, but yeah, not inflated yet, so it's not that bad yet.